Hey guys, this is Raymond. In this video, I'm going to introduce two important basic functions of Excel for you, Descriptive Statistics and Box Plot, which can help us to know our dataset more clearly. So first of all, I want to generate some random numbers to play with. We go to Random Number Generation in Data Analysis, click OK, and here I can generate a sample from a normal distribution with mean equals to 5 and standard deviation equals to 2. And I click OK. Now we have 500 numbers here. And first thing, Descriptive Statistics, we can go to Data Analysis, then Descriptive Statistics, then OK. You can enter the input range, and then the output range. Remember to click Summary Statistics here. Okay. Then we can get a table of Descriptive Statistics like this. I believe most of you are familiar with some kinds of the parameters here, like mean, median, mode. The first thing I want to mention here is standard error. Standard error equals to standard deviation divided by square root of n. Okay. And the second thing I want to mention here is skewness. Skewness refers to the distortion in a symmetric distribution. And some of the students ask me about this question. They ask me about the positive skewness and the negative skewness. And all I want to say is that as long as you can master this graph, then you can solve the problems about skewness very easily. Like here, the skewness is positive, so it like here, positive scale is mean larger than median. It's mean larger than median, right? Kurtosis here is not required in our unit, so you guys, if you want to know more about it, you can Google it. And next thing is box plot. How to make a box plot in Excel? You can first select the dataset and then go to Insert, Recommended Charts, All Charts. You can see a box here and then click OK. Yep, as you can see, this is a box plot. It's a standardized way of displaying a distribution, and it contains 5 very important elements here. The first one is maximum, and then the upper quartile, medium, lower quartile, and minimum. In the quartile, IQR, which means that which is interquartile range, it equals to upper quartile minus lower quartile. Just the box here. Okay, and we can see some points very far away from our central of the data set, like this two and this two. In this case, they are the outliers of the data set. And about our outlier, we will talk about it later in this semester. That's all about this video. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next video.